Hey guys, Will at Big Steel Sheds here. We're just here in front of the Robotic Welder. The benefit of the robot is a few different things. So you can mass produce the same product over and over at a cheap rate, but a high quality. So yeah, passes that on to the farmer at a cheap rate, but always high quality results. It's really boosted our productivity, getting a lot more sheds out on time, meaning happy customers. It's been a great thing for us to do and very happy we did it. Rebecca, the robot, sounds good. Yeah, open to ideas though.